Perplexity browser Comet. So if you want a guide on Perplexity browser Comet, then just watch this video. First, you need to open up your browser and then search for Perplexity, and you need to click on it. Make sure that it's the official website. So whether you're a student, a creator, a developer, or just curious about the next generation AI tools, then this video is for you. If you don't have an account, you can just simply go and create one account. So first, what is Perplexity browser? It's a web browser built around an AI research assistant. Instead of manually searching through multiple tabs, Perplexity automatically reads pages for you, summarizes complex info, answers follow-up questions, cites sources, and works like a built-in research partner. Now, if you want to know what is Comet, then Comet is Perplexity's content engine. Think of it like a memory system that follows you across tabs and helps the AI understand what you're researching. So instead of re-explaining your topic every time, Comet helps keep track automatically. So here on the left sidebar, as you can see that you will have a home tab, home section, and then the discover section, the library or conversation threads. And then here in the middle, you will have the search bar, which is powered by Perplexity AI, which gives you real-time results plus citations. So the Comet Assistant is now free for everyone. You can use Perplexity if you want quick answers, if you want to do deep research, and it gives data with citations. Perplexity browser will absolutely save your time. So as you can see that it says Comet is a browser developed by Perplexity AI that integrates advanced AI-powered search and assistant features directly into the browsing experience, making web navigation faster and more productive. Its key features are AI-powered search, personal search, agent actions, assistant button, tab management, personal data integration, integrated ad blocks. Comet stands out by deeply integrating AI into the browsing workflow. It goes beyond traditional search by offering real-time, content-aware assistant, automating repetitive tasks, and intelligently organizing your online activities. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.